From here, we're all together. Your arms are up like this. You're gonna start with your right knee. 1, 2, push off. 3, 4, bounce. 5, 6, bring your arms around. 7 and 8. So again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. My arms are wrong on that. Anyway, 7, 8. Then from here, you have a ripple. The front of the pyramid goes 1, the next line does it 2, the next line goes 3. We all come up on 4. Another ripple starting with the point. 5, 6, and then the next line goes 6, 7, and the last line goes 7, 8. And so we're all together. So from the beginning, that goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 together, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then from here, you step with your left foot back. 1, your arms go here. You make a little square. So your right arm touches your elbow and your left arm touches your other elbow from underneath. 1, then you switch. 2. Then your arms go down. 3, and you slap your face. 4. So again, that was 7, 8. We step back. 1, 2, 3, slap 4. Your right leg comes behind. You have and 5, 6. That's not right. Sorry. 7, 8. 1, 2, 4. Boom, boom. Okay. So it's from here, here, and slap. You have ball change. Kick your knee up. Put it back down, turn it face the back, and put your arms up like you're praying. 8. So all together, that goes from 7, 8. You have back, step, arms down, and slap. Ball change, kick your knee up, step, push back, arms up. From here, you're going to bring your left leg to your right foot and body roll down. 1, 2, 3, 4, pick up your right foot. 5, 6, and snake to the front. 7 and 8. So all together, that goes 1, 2, push 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Ripple 1, next line 2, next line 3, together 4, front line 5, second line 6, third line 7, we all freeze 8. 1, 2, 3, slap 4, and 5, kick 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that's the end of wolves.